Welcome to Exam Heist, your trusted partner in certification success. We provide comprehensive study materials, available both online and offline. We're here to guide you every step of the way. From in-depth PDF guides to structured practice sets, we covered all essential questions to help you in certificating. You'll always have the right resources at your fingertips. Download the PDFs, take practice tests, and connect with our expert support team. Interactive online practice support, so you can test yourself anytime, anywhere. Exam-ready PDFs, carefully curated with essential questions. Top performers consistently rely on Exam Heist. With thousands of learners already certified, we've built a reputation for quality and trust. Expert assistance, where certified professionals are available to answer your queries. And most importantly, content that stays up to date with the latest exam patterns. Start today, and move one step closer to your certification success. So don't wait. Give your preparation the winning edge with Exam Heist. Visit examheist.com now. Exam Heist, your journey to success starts here.
Question 1. As part of a project to modernize a sports stadium and improve the customer service experience for fans, the stadium owners want to implement a new wireless system. Currently, all tickets are electronic and managed by the stadium mobile application. The new solution is required to allow location tracking precision within 5 feet. 1. 5 meters of fans to deliver the following services: emergency, security assistance, mobile food order, event, special effects, raffle winner, location displayed on the giant stadium screen. Which of the following technologies enables location tracking? Option A, SSID. Option B, BLE. Option C, NFC. Option D, IoT. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B, BLE. Question 2. A company is experiencing Wi-Fi performance issues. 3 Wi-Fi networks are available, each running on the 2.4 GHz band and on the same channel. Connecting to each Wi-Fi network yields slow performance. Which of the following channels should the networks be configured to? Option A, Channel 1, Channel 2, and Channel 3. Option B, Channel 2, Channel 4, and Channel 9. Option C, Channel 1, Channel 6, and Channel 11. Option D, Channel 3, Channel 5, and Channel 10. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C, Channel 1, Channel 6, and Channel 11. Visit examheist.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Exam Heist. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.